Hi guys, it's Matilda. I'm here at TT Liquor, Mixology's flagship venue in Shoreditch. Today we're going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic passion fruit martini from our cocktail making classes. We have swapped out the vodka for Seedlip Grove in the stripped back version of the well-known passion fruit classic. The ingredients are in the description below, and here's Kay to show you how it's made.
Alright guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really special non-alcoholic version of our Passion Fruit Martini. Now, as this is a martini, I'm of course going to be serving it in a martini glass or a coupette. And before I start making the drink, I'm going to chill my glass down so it's nice and cold when we put the drink in. I'll just fill it with some crushed ice, pop it up on my bar top to one side and let that chill while I make the rest of the drink. The first ingredient that I need is some of this Seedlip Grove. Now, usually in this cocktail we'd use vodka, but this is a non-alcoholic version. Now I want 40 mils of my Seedlip. There we go, beautiful. Now in this drink we want 20 mils of our passion fruit syrup. There's a couple more things to go in here before we add our ice and shake, both of which are going to be fresh fruit. So I'm going to grab my knife and my chopping board, and first thing I need is some lime juice. I've got lime here. I'm just going to cut this in half, ready to squeeze. Pop my lime half into my elbow press, and we'll squeeze the juice into there. Just pop that in there with those other ingredients. Last thing to go in here is going to be some fresh passion fruit. So I'll grab a fresh passion fruit. I'll just cut that in half. And I'm just going to use my bar spoon here to scoop the guts from half of that passion fruit into my shaker with those other ingredients. I'm going to keep this empty passion fruit half to use for a little garnish when I've finished making this drink as well. I'm going to fill this with cubed ice. Like so. Pop my tin on at a little bit of an angle, give that a smack to seal it, and now we'll give this a shake for around about 15 seconds. Here we go. Fantastic, so that's all shaken up. I'll pop it open. There we go. And I'll grab my martini glass, ready to serve this in. Now I don't want any of this ice in here. I'll just chuck it back with my crushed ice. Give my glass a little shake to get rid of any excess water. And I'm just going to use my strainer to strain this drink into the glass like so. I'll just grab that little passion fruit half that I saved from earlier and float that in there for a garnish. And that is our alcohol-free passion fruit martini, ready to drink.